I have an issue in Adobe Premiere Pro like this. If I go into extension, so it is not active. Even I start new project and I open. So this is my project. I select and I create. Okay, they telling override. Okay, replace the content. Now it will open. New project is here. Even though this project is here, and I am going here. This extension is disabled. This extension, just go to the web browser, and you can see here the AEJuice. So type here this in extension and download it. Free plugins. Go here, free plugins, and it will automatically start download. If not starting, you download it, it will start download. Okay, after it download, open the AEJuice folder. Okay, it is AEJuice pack. Just double click and install this pack. Now what will happen when it installs? No, it is unzipping in the background. Okay, when it install, it will ask you to please close the. See, you want to install? Yes. Now it will give one message, accept and install. Please close Adobe Premiere Pro application before installing the plugins. Now I will go to Premiere Pro. I will close, then I will say OK, accept and install. It will start installing the uh, AEJuice pack manager. So what is the benefit of this one? It will change your text into voice. It is some options available in Windows, but there is not too many options. You cannot change the voice, speed, everything. But these plugins, it will give you too many other things free of cost. So you install this one and get the benefit of AEJuice pack manager. So it's going to finish. Okay, it is asking open Adobe Pro. Okay, you open it, it will start open. You can see Adobe Premiere Pro started here, and now if you go to your project, import media, you can import new media, yeah, or old media. Just import here. So now you go to Windows extension. See, it is active plugins available here. Now you can enjoy this feature. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. It is AEJuice Pack Manager plugins for Adobe Premiere Pro. It provides instant access to a free starter library. Okay, including text, animation, transaction, sound effect, and shapes elements. It lets you preview, drag and drop motion assets directly onto your timeline without leaving the software. Okay, key benefit of the free version: in-app access, browse, preview and apply elements directly inside the Premiere Pro extension panel. Free starter asset, get free sound effects, liquid shapes, title and slide transition without paying. Time saving, drag and drop elements straight onto your sequence to speed up editing. And more thing is easy customization, change color, text and basic properties of imported preset inside the Premiere Pro. Thank you watching my video.